As you can see, this is really fantastic. The sun is rising, so it is afternoon time. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that all are having a good time today. Alhamdulillah, I'm so jubilant by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I have come a beautiful place in order to make a video. And in today's video, you are going to learn how to practice your English from your village. So a person from village can learn English very easily. It is very easy to learn English from a village. So I am a person and I grew up from my village, but recently I am living here in city. But I think village has great opportunity to learn English language. If you love to make video, then village is perfect place for you, because in a village you usually get chance for capturing videos. In a village, environment is very silent. It is serene environment where you can capture videos with a fantastic voice. Without microphone you can capture videos. And if you want to be a great English speaker, definitely you have to talk about topic. You have to select topic, then try to deliver your thoughts, try to deliver your speech regarding the topic. At the very beginning time, you will face some difficulties like me. When I go to talk about a topic, I usually forget appropriate word, appropriate rules and structures. It is very natural. As English is our second language, it's a foreign language. That's why we have to practice as much as possible. We have to listen every single day. But in today's video, I'm gonna share what is the great opportunity for a village person to learn English language. Yeah, village person can get lots of time for practicing English, and also in a village, different kind of vegetable fields are surrounding in your local area. So if you visit different kind of vegetable fields, you try to know English name. What is the English name of grass? So it's grass. So in Bangla, amra grass boli. Etar English ki. And you have to think in English. Whenever you can see a vegetable field, try to know what is the English name of the specific vegetable that you are visiting. After that, you should try to make some sentences. Whenever you are going to make some sentences, then you will feel very shy. But no matter, if you need some vocabulary, then you can go to Google. You can search on Google. Try to know their meaning. After that, try to apply in your sentences. If you practice every single day by following this system, definitely you can be a great English speaker. Today or tomorrow you will be fluent. But if you try to memorize vocabularies without practicing English, just from book or from any article, if you try to memorize vocabulary, it is very tough to remember for a long time. That's why try to learn sentences, and from sentence, from practical life, from real life experience, you can gather idea, you can know new words, and such kind of word you can remember very easily. It will last for a long time. So learn things from your practical life. Don't learn from books. Try to learn from your real life experience. You are visiting this area, try to make some sentences like me. For example, now I am visiting this area. As you can see, this is evergreen scenery and my cameraman is capturing video. He is helping me for capturing the video. I am trying to say something about how to talk a person in English from a village. So if you have target, definitely it is possible. So as you can see, there are lots of paddy field behind me, and it is looks very fantastic, and there is a road which is very near from my place. So I will go to the road, then I will take a auto rickshaw to reach my destination. So you can practice your English like this way, and in front of my side you have to talk like this way. You have to make sentences. So you have to brush your English. You have to practice as much as possible. You have to listen. You have to listen. As much as you listen, you will be fluent. The more you listen, the more you learn. The more you listen, the more you will become fluent. So thank you so much. You can practice English every single day by visiting such kind of vegetable field. So keep learning. Don't forget to share the video. Have a good day.